Star can represent more than one characters, whereas question mark can represent only one character. Here are some files. Some have 4-letter name. This has 6-letter name. Others are 4. This one is 3-letter file name. Now to search with the asterisk wildcard. V asterisk E. That means it will show you those files whose name starts with V and ends with E, and in between there can be as many characters possible, because star represents more than one characters, that is asterisk represents more than one characters. So between V and E there can be any number of characters. For that reason you see 1 2 3 4. Between V and E there are 4 letters A B C D. Here between V and E there are 2 letters. Here between V and E there are 1 letter. So these files will be shown whose starting is V and ending is E. So asterisks represent more than one number of letters. Now if you use question mark, that can represent only one letter. See, V question mark E. That means question mark is occupying only one space. For that reason it is showing that file whose name starts with V, ends with E, and there is only one letter between V and E, that is U, because one question mark I have given. If I give another question mark between V and E, now see, as I have given two question marks between V and E, those files are shown whose name starts with V and ends with V, E, and there are two letters between V and E. See, here also two letters between V and D. Here also two letters between V and D. Here also two letters between V and D. Now if we add one more question mark, it will become 3 letters between V and D. There are no such files who has 3 letters between V and D. So again we give another question mark. See, we have got a file that has 4 letters between V and D. So it is displayed here. Now if we cancel it, all the files will be shown again. Now you can display only those type of files you want. This can be done by using the asterisk followed by dot and the file type. Asterisk represents many characters, so any file name can be there. But I am not interested in the file name here. I am interested in the file type. So I write .png, and according to those files which have a file type PNG, that will be shown. See here, the item type here is PNG file. It is also PNG file, so they are shown. If I use JPG here, only JPG files will be shown and those PNG files will not be shown. This is the concept of wildcards.